Good morning, students. Today we are going to construct rhombus BE and D of question number 1 part 3 of exercise 4.2. Part 2 was similar to the first part, which you will practice yourself. In part 3 there is a different rule. Here they have only given the two diagonals BN and DE. You can see if I make one rough diagram of rhombus BE and D, BN is one diagonal and DE is one diagonal. Now with the help of these two diagonal we have to make quadrilateral, and for that purpose I must be needing this plus sign in between. If I get this, I can join the other sides and I will get the parallelogram. So starting with the diagonals, one of the diagonals, but I will suggest that you take 6.5 centimeter because 5.6 can be easily divided. Why we want to divide, I will tell you later on. Take the base DE as 6.5 with the scale 6.5 with the scale. Now, so I have told draw DE. I am also telling the steps of construction. Draw DE is equal to 6.5 centimeter. D and E. Now taking D as the center and radius is equal to more than half of DE. Taking D as a center and radius equal to more than half. You can take any radius, but it must be more than half. You know that half will be somewhere here. So you have to take more than half and draw two arcs, one above and one below the DE, but make it bigger one so that the other arc you can solve. Now taking the same radius, don't disturb that radius, but this time taking with the center E, we will draw another arc, other two arcs which intersects the two arcs which were drawn in previously we have drawn. It will intersect the two arcs. Now join the 2 point of intersection and name it as P and Q. P and Q. Why not E and B? I will tell you later. Name it as P and Q, and P and Q wherein it intersects DE, name it as M. This is our half of 6.5. This is 6.5. It will be half of 6.5 and this will be half of 6.5. Now you know that BN is 5.6, right? It is 5.6. And what is half of 5.6? Half of 5.6? It will be 2.8 because 2 2s are 4. Point will be above, 6 will be come down, 2 8s are 16. So we will get 2.8. Now from M, taking M as a center and radius is equal to 2.8 because we want this value as 2.8 because we want to bisect the two diagonals. If we bisect the two diagonals, then only we will get parallelogram and we will get rhombus also. I will tell you how. Now taking 2.8 in the scale, this is 2.8. Put on M and cut the wherever at PQ and name that point, this is the point, name it as N. Again, this is also 2.8 and cut the line PQ. So we will get our 2.8. Here it is 2.8 and we will get it as B. Now join BE DB and ND and NE and measure all the sides. You will get equal side. Here I am getting somewhere 4.9, around 4.9 and 5. So I will take 4.9. It is 5 already. Here also 5. Here also 5. Here also 5. And this is 2.8, and by construction we have divided DE into 2 equal half. This we have done the construction. It was dividing the DE into 2 equal half. So we have got parallelogram as diagonals are divided and the 4 sides are equal, so it will be rhombus BE and D. Now steps of construction for this question is different, so let me show you. First we have drawn DE, so we will draw DE 6.5 centimeter. With D as center and radius more than half of DE, draw 2 arcs on both sides of DE. Now then what we have done, we have taken D as center and more than half radius, 2 arcs we have drawn, one above and one below of DE. Third point, with E as center and radius same as taken in step 2, draw 2 arcs on both sides of D which intersects arc in step 2. Now E as a center and the same radius which we have taken before, and it will intersect the previous arc. Join both of them, join PQ. Now let it intersect DE at M. M is the midpoint of DE. PQ intersects, let the PQ intersect at M to the DE, this point, and this will be the midpoint by construction. Now cut MN is equal to half of 5.6. Half of 5.6 is 2.8. So this is 2.8. Also cut MB, half of 5.6, and join the remaining. So you can also take the screenshot of this paper, or you can also write on your own. Hope you have understood this construction. Please try 2-3 times so that you can know it very well how to construct. Now we will meet with new questions in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.